my poems generally do not have titles because I feel that titles also restrict people quite a bit. Poetry for me has always been a way to express the innermost thoughts and feelings that I felt would be a little too uncomfortable for people if I said it out loud, if I said it too clearly. Poetry has always allowed me to process my feelings and express them in a way that still allowed me to have a little bit of control over what the readers could perceive. And even in the way that I used my words in poetry, I felt like I always had a little bit of a control about over what I wanted to say and what I wanted people to hear. So, as people say, how a reader interprets your words always changes according to the context that they are coming from, right? I think poetry has a sense of control, but at the same time, it also has a lot of freedom for the reader and the writer, both. So in that ways, I think poetry has been quite versatile, and it has also allowed me to heal in a lot of ways from a lot of things that I have gone through at different points in my life. The poem that I wanted to share today, I wrote this in 2016, and I think it is still quite relevant because this is something, what I talk about in my poetry in this particular poem, I think this is something that has been going on for quite a while in our Tibetan community for a while now. And 2016 in particular was a year that I would say was politically quite interesting, at least for the exile diaspora political climate, right? And during that time, I was working for a Tibetan non-governmental organization, and I was quite active with the Tibetan political movement. So right now my work has changed, shifted a little bit to more social justice. Social justice is also political, but in this context, I think I was more active in the political freedom struggle. So this poem, it does not have a title. My poems generally do not have titles because I feel that titles also restrict people quite a bit. I think it makes the reader expect, sometimes the expectations are exactly what the writer wants them to expect, but then a lot of the times I feel like the surprise, the beauty, the kind of complexity that a poem might be able to express without a title, that could be taken away if I give it a title. Teach me how to be Gesar's daughter, fierce, warrior-like, firm in the war for truth. True freedom you could kill for. No, I'm Gandhi's niece. But maybe not so easy to change. Change your mind, believer in truth. No such thing in exile. Manufactured truths, manufactured goods. Who is who, enemy and protector, consumerist, communist, democratic bullshit. Don't talk to me like that. O mani pe me hu et kora, then spit poison while you sip on chai after. Gesar's daughter is Lukar's mongrel. Hi, I'm Kaysang. I am the co-founder of Togmo, a feminist resource group working with Tibetan and Himalayan communities in India and Nepal on gender justice issues.